Welcome back and continuing the news. The police in the St. Catherine North Division are sounding the alarm this evening, warning that it's not just stolen motor vehicles that are flooding the parish, but criminals too. Investigators say the division has become a dumping ground for stolen cars and a hiding place for offenders moving across parish lines. Sandy Williams explains.
St. Catherine North, a division pulsing with commerce and crisscrossed by dozens of roadways, is now firmly on the radar of motor vehicle thieves. According to Commanding Officer for St. Catherine North, SSP Hopton Nicholson, many of the stolen cars turning up in the division were never taken from communities within the space.
They were stolen in St. Mary's and all over. One morning we found one at about 6 o'clock. It was stolen 2 a.m. in Mandeville, and by 6 o'clock it was partially scrapped in the Spanish Town.
Police have uncovered organized cells operating within the parish, quietly stashing vehicles in rural pockets before stripping them.
Since August last year, we have made a major breakthrough. We have arrested at least 8 persons. Some of them are not from St. Catherine, but some of them are from the parish. Linstead, Kitson, roads leading into Kitson Town, Bogwalk, Riversdale are some of the areas that they use to stash these motor vehicles. Wait until to see if anybody's coming, because some of these vehicles have trackers.
And some residents, police warn, may be unknowingly fueling illegal trades.
A lot of persons love a good deal. If a deal appears too good to be true, it is either not good or not true.
But the warning goes beyond stolen cars. Police say criminals themselves are migrating into the parish, exploiting its many access points.
At one point, we counted 50 roads that can drive in and out of St. Catherine North.
With outsiders being guided by locals, police say the fight is becoming more complex.
And a lot of times, the person that we arrest and charge, they are not from the parish of St. Catherine. So we continue to see. But one thing we know, that persons from within St. Catherine are taking them here. So while they are not the ones, and I think that's one of the reasons why some of them got away, because they know the areas. So the strangers don't know the areas, so they will be caught by the police.
Officers are now urging law-abiding residents to tighten security in their communities and speak up.
So if you see a strange vehicle park up in your community on a major roadway, call us. Let us check it out, because sometimes they are just there watching it. We have recovered motor vehicles like that.
Police say several people have already been charged for receiving stolen property. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.